Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use PMI Study Hall. First, understand that PMI Study Hall is a digital learning tool specifically designed to help you prepare for the PMP exam. To begin, simply visit PMI.org and log into your My PMI account. Once inside, you'll find your Study Hall subscription under the Products and Subscriptions tab. The very first step is to set your prospective exam date, which will automatically generate a personalized learning plan tailored to your timeline. Next, dive into the rich content available. Study Hall offers articles, lessons, and videos that delve deep into the PMP exam domains. Utilize the digital flashcards to solidify your understanding of key terms and definitions. When you're ready, tackle the mini practice exams, which typically consist of 15 questions each. After completing questions, always review the detailed explanations and references provided to learn from your mistakes and reinforce correct understanding. As you progress, challenge yourself with the full-length practice exams. These typically contain 175 questions and simulate the actual exam experience. The platform tracks your performance, showing your average score percentage and percentile ranking compared to other users. This data-driven approach helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses across different topics, allowing you to adjust your study plan and focus on areas needing more attention for optimal preparation. Beyond the basics, leverage advanced features like the personalized learning plan, which adapts to your exam date, and earn achievement badges for motivation. You can also engage in discussions with fellow PMP candidates to share insights and clarify concepts. Remember, Study Hall is a companion tool. Combine it with other resources for comprehensive preparation. And speaking of enhancing your space, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Focus on understanding rationales, not just memorizing answers, to truly master the material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.